friends, Dennis Alm here. Welcome to one of my trainings. We're going to talk about the Groove Mail app here today. Groove is a software suite for building sales funnels, web pages, marketing, and it's just an all-in-one suite that's got some really cool stuff. Let me go to the dashboard up here and just kind of show you some of the things that you can do with Groove. Then we're going to get right into this training here. Now going to the dashboard here, and with we're just recording a little bit slow. We've got a little snow outside. Things are running a little bit slow, and God, I hate that. Let's log in. Logged in. Okay, so just follow my mouse up here. Groove Pages, that's my websites. And then Groove Sell, if you're going to sell products, it's a great way to do it. Groove Mail, that's what we're going to be talking about today. And also has a membership program, video hosting, your blog, Groove Cart. That's where it all started, Groove Cart back in the day, and Groove Webinar. And they are bringing out new apps all the time, and they launch them. It's a great little company, and I am also an affiliate for this company. And if you have the free version, you could get 20% affiliate commissions, and if you are a paid customer, you will get 40. It will double that. That's what I like. I like the big $500-800 commissions as an affiliate marketer. So anyway, so let's go into Groove Mail here. We're just going to build a opt-in form through Groove Mail, and it's pretty simple. Now you need to use a third-party mail programs such as Mailgun or SendGrid or Amazon, and I am using SendGrid just because I had a free account, and you can send up to I think a couple thousand emails a month, and then you get a paid version for $15 a month that allow you to sell like 40,000 emails a month. That's a lot of email going out. So anyway, so this is the dashboard of the email part of it. In your broadcast, that is where you send out your email blast. Then we come over to your sequences. Those are your follow-up series where somebody opts in and signs up to one of your lists. They're going to get maybe an email a week, and it's just going to keep leading them through your funnel process. It's a big part of a sales funnel is your email sequencing. And you have all that set up beforehand. Then your list, you can have different lists. You can have a list for your digital products, your digital customers. You can have a list for your physical customers. This depends on what you do. I'm an entrepreneur, have a lot of different irons in the fire, so I'll have a lot of lists. I'm a Aweber customer. Aweber is a platform, email platform that I've been using for years. It just gets so darn expensive, and I've been waiting on Groove's application to get updated and really get rolling before I switch. So I'm in the process now of merging everything from Aweber and coming over to Groove. Number one, it's going to be simpler for me. It's going to save me money, and whenever I can have everything in one little package. Now your automation, it's a good little thing there to use. Like if somebody signs up, somebody's on your list for your free list, right? Your people that haven't bought anything from you yet. Then once they say they buy something, then what happens is they automatically drop off that free list and go onto your paid customer list. That's what automations is. So you can set up rules and stuff like that. Then your forms, that's how your little boxes where people will enter their name and their email address on the website and sign up for your email list. Your segmentation, you can break it down on who gets what emails and that type of thing, and then a new broadcast. So when you're doing email marketing, you're either broadcasting or they are either reading your broadcast or your follow-up sequences. So let's go over here to, let's do this. We're just going to build a form, and we'll go through it here one step at a time. Now, what we need to do first is get our email verified through this third-party SendGrid outfit. So SendGrid.com, and you're just going to go to that, and you're going to sign up for your free account, and then you're going to click on the API on the left because that's really what we're going to need, and just follow the instructions. It's really pretty self-explanatory, and you just have to follow through, and it'll tell you right here, the prices and what you can get with everything. Then we'll go over to the dashboard here, And let's see here if I can even read this. Here we go. It'll give you your stats, your email activity for the day and stuff like this. But we're really not using SendGrid to monitor everything. We'll be monitoring our emails, our open rates and all that stuff through Groove, but we just have to use this process, set it up through SendGrid. And so we're going to get our authentication, the sender authentication. Come on down to the bottom of the page and just click on these links. It's going to, what you're going to do, you're just going to verify your email address. And that's what you're going to do. Then fill out your basic company information or your personal information. Pretty simple. And let's see here. Go over integration guide. It's got everything you need. It's going to take you about 20 minutes to figure this part of it out. But and if you already have another email company, you can use that too. But yeah, so you can do the web API or the SMTP relay. That's the easiest way to do it to get it set up quick. So if you click on SMTP relay, then it's going to pull up the forms. You're just going to fill out some stuff and send it in and get everything verified. Let's see what this page is going to do here real quick, and we'll move on back over to Groove. Yeah, so there we're going to create an API key, and that's a key that's a lot of numbers and stuff like that. Let me just show you. Let's just create a key here, see if it's going to let us do that without, put a test here. Test key, create. And that long string right there is your key, right? So you're going to copy that, and because we're going to paste that into Groove in a little while, okay? So really what we've got that, and it's going to tell you you need to verify anything, so just take that and verify. So let's go back over the Groove dashboard, and let's go over to forms now. And we're going to add a new form, and we're going to name this one a test form. Pretty simple. So this is it. This is a basic form. So interested in our newsletter, we can just make interested in our free training. Okay, we can change that. Then you can change whatever you want. I always like the name before the email. So I'm going to change these, slide that name up, then the emails last, because it's sort of a just a psychological thing. It's easier for them to type their name in than their email, because they're not committed until they type that email in, hit send. But it's easier for them to type their email after they've typed their name. So it's just one of those little things. And I can add fields like their phone number or whatever. Let's see what other options it gives me for fields. Select field type, so I can do last name, state, zip code, their URL, website URL, billing address, custom, anything you can do if you want to help you sequence these to, but let's see, we don't want that. We don't want that. Okay, so we're not going to add a new field. We're just going to hit next, see if it'll let us do that without, okay, yeah. So we created that little form already, and we are going to select what list we want to go. And I've got one list right there. It's called Groove Trading. We'll select that one, or we can create a new list if we want, because I'm just going to go back and delete this after the video here. Whatever tags we want, if we want to tag them, let's say let's say we've got two landing pages, and they're a little bit different. One offers free 1 month trading, and one offers free 9 month trading, 3 month trading, whatever, longer term. And you want to know which is which and which ones people are signing up for. So you can just tag them, tag 130, tag 190, and it'll tell you where your customers came from. That way, when you want to follow up, you can just go right back at them and pick the ones you want. Now, our sequences, right? It's going to ask us if, well, my screen's not saying here, if we want to subscribe to a sequence, like a follow-up series. A lot of times when you first get that email, that customer might get a follow-up series that starts right away. They get that first email, then they get another one tomorrow morning, and then another one the next day, and just there's reasons for that. A lot of psychology behind all that, but we'll get into that in another video. So we're not going to subscribe to a sequence here. Now we want to do a single opt-in or a double opt-in. A single opt-in is when they don't have to verify their email. They don't have to go back to their email and click confirm to opt into your email list. A double opt-in means they've got to do that. A single opt-in is a little bit quicker, easier. You'll get more subscribers. And people have different thoughts about that, but I always like just a single opt-in. Then once they click submit and opt in onto your email list, it's going to take them to a success page, success URL page, and that could be any page you want. You can get it right down there. So then you can opt to send them a welcome email, welcome SMS message, text message through here, and I haven't really gotten into that a whole lot, so I don't know if I will, but that's available through this. And there we go. So we're not going to send that. And let's see what we get in recipients. Hit next. And there's our code right here. Okay. So right here, I'm going to copy this code right here, and that is my email form. And what I want to do, I want to get the raw code. And this is more of a script here, but JavaScript. I want to get the HTML raw code and for my Groove. So I copy that in there. I got it copied to my clipboard, finish that. Now let's go back over to Groove. Let's find our page here where we are going to, let's go back to our dashboard. Let's actually go back to it. We're going to open up one of our websites, one of our funnels, and paste that, embed in that email form in there, and we're all set to go. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Sorry for a little hiccup there. I don't know, it's snowing out today and a lot of things going on. But so let's open up our Groove pages here. And these are our websites, our funnels. I'm just going to show you how easy this is, man. It's not hard. You know, when they first came out with the software, it was hard. They make it simple all the time. Let's go over here to the Dennis Alm Show. This is my magic and comedy show that we just have a lot of photos and videos on this little website here. And I'll kind of scroll through it here. We'll go put a little forum down at the bottom, because all I have on this page is a contact phone number if they want to call and book a gig, book a show or something. And that's a big show that I just had back a couple months ago. And it's Dennis Alm, DennisAlmShow.com if you want to check it out. There's some of my videos and stuff like that. That's me. But anyway, we'll go all the way down the bottom of this bad boy here and insert a let's see here. It's the bottom there. That's a little intro there at the bottom. And we can just, we're gonna see what we've got here. Now, the way, of course, Groove works is when you're building a page, there are blocks. There's blocks, which are like little areas to put your pictures and your text and your forms and stuff. But inside the blocks, you put elements, and those elements are actually your images, stuff like that. So we're gonna see if I can slide an element down here, and we're just gonna put an open code. These are all the little elements, different things that I could slide in over here. It's really cool. Code embeds what I'm going to do. So, because I'm going to put that pure source code, that raw HTML code inside this page. I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. So let's drag it over and see if it gives us a place to put it. Looks like we're going to go, we can put it right under the picture. Let's do that. Yep, okay. So let it reload this little page here real quick, and we'll go back down and paste it in and see how we're doing. I run this Screencast-O-Matic software to make my videos. Let's see what we're... And it's just takes a while, right? When I'm running Windows. But anyway, so that's where my code's going to be. You can see that right there. Now let me click that and see if I can... Up here, I've got a little setting emblem and icon and list icon, copy and paste, and trash icons. I'm going to hit the setting, and then I'm just going to right click and paste that code in there. Let me show you how this does it. So that brings up the code screen. I'm just going to paste that code right up on that top line right there, and I hit save. That's simple. Boom, 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 boom. there we go. Interested in our free training. That's it. So I have to go back and change the words on this, but we're just doing it for here. Now we're going to save this, and then we're going to publish it. And we come over here and publish. Publish it all. And once we get the green publish signal that everything's been published, we'll just take a quick look at it. I know it's not going to be right because I'm not offering free training on the Magic. Actually, I do train for Magic, but that's not part of this program. But I just wanted to show you how simple it is to put a email form into the website. Now, a couple other things you can do. You can, if you don't want to do it this way, they have, we can put pop-ups in a pop-up email form where it could pop up. You can have it on a timer or when they enter the page, or you can have an exit pop-up if you want, however you want to do it. I'm trying to publish. There we go. Site publish there. And let's go and take a look at it here. See how that turned out. Like I said, I've got a lot of images on this. I don't know. I didn't go by and get these images. Look at that handsome man. Okay. Loading up some of these pictures here. Get to the bottom of the page here. Okay, there it is right there. It's our email form right there. And put our first name in there. And I don't know what I even did. Let's find out. Let's just put my email in there. I didn't even put a landing address, I don't think, on there where they will go after they sign up. I might have. Let's see. Let's just go into the GrooveFunnels main site. So anyway, that's what we've got, and that's our form. And just get in there and do a dig, and it'll take you a little while, but once you do it a couple of times, it'll get a little bit easier. And then, like I said, they're updated, making things easier all the time. So form there, and that will go to, now let me show you one other thing here. We go back over here. Now we go back over here to Groove Mail on the left hand side here. And it'll take us back to our subscribers and our contacts and stuff like that. And you can see what your stats are. And then you can start building your email, your sequences. Like I might want to have like I've had 5 submissions today. I think those are all mine just through test, right? Because I'm just moving everything over here. And in my list here, Groove Training, that's the only list I've got. I'll make some more lists. But anyway, I just wanted to make this video for you to show you how easy it is to do this. So you need to get on it. So anyway, if you got any questions, shoot me an email. Let me know. If you got any questions, I'd be glad to talk to you. If you want to chat, Skype, or whatever, help you if you're having trouble getting something like this going. And but anyway, best of luck to you. And this is Dennis Alm. Check for our other trainings on YouTube, and we'll have a lot of them up. We're doing about 1 a day, so we'll get them rolling. Hey, this is Dennis. Take care. Good luck. Bye.